some things aren't meant to be forgotten. They're waiting to be reborn. This relic, lost to time and decay, holds a secret of untold power within its rusted frame. The journey of transformation is about to begin, one that will defy all expectations. Years of neglect are etched into every surface, a testament to a life abandoned. But now, a determined spirit sees not what it is, but what it could become. The first step in this incredible revival is to strip away the past, piece by painstaking piece. Beneath the grime, a hidden history is unveiled. Exposing the fragile heart of the machine, every component is carefully disconnected. A delicate surgery on this mechanical giant. The deconstruction continues. Each part a puzzle piece in a forgotten story. With unwavering focus, she delves deeper, committing to the immense challenge ahead. The process is slow and methodical, requiring both patience and precision. Each turn of the wrench loosens the grip of time, freeing the machine from its static slumber. Power and finesse work in harmony, tackling even the most stubborn remnants of decay. The machine's inner workings are exposed, revealing the true extent of the damage. As more layers are stripped away, the true form begins to emerge. Some bonds are harder to break than others, testing the limits of her resolve. But with sheer force of will, even the most rusted connections give way. A new phase begins, preparing the elements that will grant this creation new life. The final pieces of the old self are removed, making way for a complete rebirth. The frame now stands bare, a skeleton awaiting its resurrection. The ritual of purification begins, washing away the accumulated years of dirt and rust. Amidst the labor, a quiet companion stands watch, a silent witness to the transformation. From the murky depths, renewed components emerge, their original brilliance beginning to shine through. Every single part undergoes this baptism, ensuring no trace of the past remains. The corrosion runs deep, a formidable opponent in this battle for restoration. With meticulous care, she scrubs and scours, driven by a vision of the final masterpiece. The old is drained away, making space for a pristine foundation. Even the coarse skeleton is cleansed, preparing the frame for its new identity. By hand, she polishes the metal, a final touch to erase the scars of time. Sparks fly as the process of refinement intensifies, forging a new strength from the old. Every curve and edge is smoothed and perfected, a testament to her unwavering dedication. The deep, intimate work continues. Breathing life back into the cold steel, she sands away the last imperfections, creating a flawless canvas. The wheels, once caked in mud and rust, are now meticulously restored to their former glory. A final polish reveals a mirror-like shine, reflecting the promise of what's to come. The fuel tank, the vessel of its power, is prepared for its vibrant new coat. And so, the rebirth takes color. The first layer of its new skin is applied. With an artist's precision, she paints, transforming the mundane into the magnificent. Each piece is given a new, bold identity, shedding its forgotten past. She stands back to admire her work, a collection of renewed parts ready for assembly. The components are laid out, an arsenal of potential waiting to be unleashed. They are carefully arranged, a prelude to the symphony of reconstruction. The painting process is an art form in itself, requiring a steady hand and a clear vision. Protected and focused, she coats the larger sections, breathing fire and life into the machine's body. Even the wheels receive this transformative touch, ensuring perfection down to the last detail. The frame is cloaked in darkness, a sleek and powerful foundation for the masterpiece. The newly born parts hang, gleaming, a gallery of progress and promise. A brilliant silver coat is applied, a stark contrast to the darkness, adding depth and elegance. The finish is flawless, a mirror to the world it's about to reach. Finally, a vibrant, fiery red is chosen, a color that speaks of passion, power, and rebirth. Now, attention turns to the heart of the beast, the engine, dormant for far too long. It too must be disassembled, its inner secrets revealed and restored. Deep within the core, a thorough cleansing begins, purging the mechanics of old grit and oil. Every gear and piston is meticulously cleaned, preparing the engine to roar once more. Slowly, The engine's original metallic luster begins to reappear from under the grime. With surgical precision, she works on the engine, a complex puzzle of mechanical ingenuity. In a cleaner, more focused environment, the intricate reassembly of the engine takes place. Every surface is polished, ensuring the heart of the machine is as good as new. A perfect seal is applied, locking in the power and ensuring its resilience. The engine begins to take shape, a marvel of restored mechanics ready for its chassis. Now, the grand assembly commences. The restored engine is the first piece to be placed. In the open air, the intricate process of rebuilding the machine from the ground up unfolds. The carburetor, the lungs of the engine, is inspected and cleaned with immense care. It is a patient, delicate process, ensuring a perfect flow of fuel and air. The newly painted engine block is prepared, a black heart for the Crimson Beast. A final coat of paint gives it a formidable, factory-fresh appearance. The front forks are reassembled, the gleaming suspension that will tame the road. Inside the workshop, the delicate mechanics of the front end are pieced together. The frame begins to take its iconic shape as the front and rear sections are joined. With modern tools, she ensures every connection is stronger and more reliable than ever before. The satisfying sound of bolts being secured signals the machine's growing strength. Each part is torqued to perfection, building a frame capable of harnessing immense power. The skeleton is now whole, a fusion of restored and renewed components. She works tirelessly, her movements efficient and sure. As the motorcycle comes to life in her hands, the rear suspension is installed, another crucial element for a smooth, powerful ride. Precision is key, as every millimeter matters. In the final performance of the machine, the rear bodywork begins to take shape, adding to the bike's aggressive posture. And now, the wheels are ready to be reunited with the frame they were born to serve. It's a perfect fit, a seamless integration of dozens of hours of painstaking work. There was an error in the original description at this point. The tires are carefully mounted onto the polished rims, a crucial step before they meet the road. With skill and strength, she ensures the tire is seated perfectly for optimal safety and performance. The tires are inflated, breathing life and pressure into the very foundation of the bike. The front wheel is mounted, bringing the machine one step closer to completion. Now, the mighty engine is carefully guided into its home within the freshly painted frame. The body panels are secured, cloaking the raw power of the engine. She makes final adjustments to the engine, connecting the veins that will feed it life. Her focus is absolute as she works on the heart of the machine, ensuring every detail is perfect. The exhaust system is attached, the voice that will soon announce its return. The motorcycle stands nearly complete, a stunning testament to vision and dedication. The handlebars are installed, the point of connection between rider and machine. All controls are carefully secured, placing the power of the beast at her fingertips. The complex front brake system is assembled, a critical component for taming the machine's speed. Leading the brake lines ensures responsive, reliable stopping power for the journey ahead. The iconic flame-red fuel tank is gently lowered into place. Now for the final touch, giving the creation its unique identity. A decal applied with precision, a symbol of the wild spirit within the machine. Carefully, she smooths it into place, a permanent mark of its rebirth. The side panels also receive their branding, completing the stunning visual transformation. The restoration is complete. A masterpiece of power and beauty stands ready. The final preparations are made. The machine receives the fluids that are its life. A symbol of high-tech performance, a promise of the power that has been unlocked. With her helmet on, she is ready. Creator and creation, prepared for their first journey. And so, it rides again. No longer a forgotten relic, but a force of nature. It carves a path through the quiet countryside, its engine singing a song of freedom. Across bridges and through vast landscapes, a journey fueled by passion and perseverance. This is more than a restoration. This is a resurrection, roaring toward a new horizon. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, Ellis Hong Heon, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.